there's a bird right there. Yesterday, let's see if I can zoom in, if you could see it. If he flies, you could see it. Oh, I think yep, it moves. Oh, look at all those birds. It's right about. There's this one right there. Oh, look at this. It's divided by. There's this one right there. So he could get. There's one on that tree over there. That's why I like to listen to the sound of the nature. Oh man, look at all of them over there. They're gonna fly as soon as I get by. There's one over here. Listen to this. Just listen to the sound of nature. I see all these birds over there. Oh my god, there's maybe geese. You probably can't see it. Is after all those trees over there, they're flying over there. A whole bunch of, oh my goodness, it's a lot of them. And these are the smaller birds. I knew they were gonna fly, so I just stay away. So missed it. I'm gonna stop here and head back. There's more down there. See, the bus continues. The park continues further down, but I need to get back. Oh my goodness. Uh-oh. Wow. That is so nice. That's the first time and I wasn't even close by them. It's not like I disturbed them, or some of them stay behind. I guess that was their gathering place before they go for the day. That is so nice. I'm so glad I saw that. Wow. They all flew together. And these stay behind. Interesting.